Check out this wireless lavalier microphone. Now, I was sent this by the company in the mail, and this is a fantastic little lavalier microphone. There are two different microphones that come with this product. And if we open it up, we can see there are some directions that we can read through, but here is the microphone that we have with this lavalier item. Now, there is a charging port, a little charging cable that you can use to charge up the microphones, but then there is a receiver on here as well. Now, this works for any Lightning device, so it could be for any iPhone or any previous iPhone or any iPad that you have. This is just a really nice little, it's very small, so it really helps to have, not too bulky of an option on your phone or iPad. And then here is one of the mics. Now, there are two of them. So here are the two lavalier mics. So this just clips on to like your shirt collar, perhaps. So there's a little collar function on both of these. Now, you do have a charging port, so you can charge these up and use them for several hours. Now, the great thing about these is it has a very intelligent noise reduction function. Now, there's also a 0.009 low sound delay function on this microphone. So this is essentially just a plug and play if you have a Lightning port on your device. And then you would just plug in this little receiver, clip this to your shirt, and speak through it like this. So we're gonna try that out and just show you the range. And it has up to 65 feet of range with this lavalier microphone. So here's the microphone plugged in, and it is just ready to start recording. It's really just a plug and play. And I love the fact that you get two of these microphones, so you can have two. If you're doing a podcast, you can talk back and forth, and it'll still receive the same from each microphone. And let's put this on our collar just so we can use it with our collar function intact and just use both of our hands at the same time. All right, so there we go. We have both hands available. We have the microphone on our collar, and it works so great. It's great for like cooking streams or even videos of like fitness videos perhaps that you would need to use both of your hands for. And it's just a really awesome microphone. It's really just a plug and play, and I love the fact that you just, open it up, charge it up, and plug it in. You're all set to go. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this review, and I'll see you next time.